Hi everyone, I've got a simple card for you today made using the scalloped edge cutting file that's available in my ScanNCut cutting file shop. So if you head over to my applelover53.co.uk website, click on the shop tab and then scroll down to ScanNCut cutting files, you'll find this file. So I've folded it in half on the dash line that I've already put in, and I'm just going to burnish it. Then I've got two stitched rectangles, which are from the rectangle stitched dies, and I've used the 4th and the 6th from this set. I've cut the largest in paper from the Hues of Happiness suite. So rather than use the flowers, I'm going to use the reverse side, which has got like the pool party, and I think this is Granny Apple Green. And then I'm going to put my white stitched rectangle over the top of it. I've got a small strip here that's about 1/2 inch wide, and this is just going to be glued just to the inside edge of the card, so that when that's folded you'll just see a hint of the blue. And I've already cut some flowers from the Hues of Happiness designer series paper and some leaves. So I'm just going to apply some glue to the back of this, and just for ease and to give me a little bit of wiggle room, I'm going to use my Tombow. I'm not putting a lot on, just a small amount, and I'm going to put it right up to the edge of the card like so, so that when that's folded as I say, you can just see a little bit of the blue. And then I've got my matting layer, so I'm going to put this one down flat. So again, I'm just going to use some Tombow. It's such a shame to cover up those flowers, isn't it? But sometimes we just have to do it. And then I'm just going to sit that like so. This is going to go on here, and I think I'll stick this down flat, but I'm going to pop up the flowers. So I'm going to turn these over and pop them up on dimensionals. I'm just going to add a couple of dimensionals to the back of each one. And I want the pool party one to go over here more where the green is, because I think it will stand out better there. So I'm just going to pop that kind of like so. And then the dark blue one, which I think is Starry Sky, is going to go on there. And then I'm just going to tuck the leaves in using some wet glue. And as I say, none of this has been stamped. This has all been taken from the designer series paper. But the stamp set, you know, you could use if you've not got the paper. It's just that the paper's so beautiful. And, you know, you can cut it with the dies. There are dies that match this set. Or you can cut it with your ScanNCut. And then I'm just going to bring in, I think I'm going to use the glossy dots for this one, because they've got this, I'm not so sure whether this is Coastal Cabana, but it will work with the colours. So I'm going to pop one down there, and I'm going to pop one up there, and I might use a big one just down there. Everything of Hues will be listed directly underneath the YouTube video, and there is an accompanying blog post to all my videos. So there's a link underneath the description box on YouTube that will take you to my blog. You'll see a picture of this project, and all the products that I've used will have direct links to my Stampin' Up shop. That's today's project. Nice and simple. Hope you liked it. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.